Welcome back to Explore with Gabi. Today, we are taking a scenic flight over some of Accra's iconic landmarks like the Kaneshie First Lights, a glimpse of the historic Accra Academy Senior High School, then we'll get to the famous Kaneshie Indoor Market. Finally, we will explore the vibrant Accra Central Open Market. Don't miss this exciting journey. Subscribe to my channel Explore with Gabi and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Share this video with your friends as well. Now, enjoy the ride. This is the Accra Academy, one of the oldest senior high schools in the country, mostly ranked among the top performing schools in Ghana and widely known for their strong sporting culture. The legendary Kaneshie First traffic lights, popularly known as the Kaneshie First Lights. From above here, it looks like nothing much is going on, but then it's a no crossing area. Some way, somehow, if you get to this intersection, you'll be stuck in traffic. The traffic is so much on a regular day that you could spend like 5 minutes to 10 minutes in traffic just at this intersection. To the right leads to Kaneshie Senior High Technical School and even to Dansoma and its environment. To the left leads to North Kaneshie and even to Circle. Straight up ahead leads to the Kaneshie Market itself. Now, the Kaneshie Indoor Market, one of the largest indoor markets in Ghana, filled with a wide variety of goods, from fresh produce to electronics, and full of activities all day, all year round. The legendary Kaneshie footbridge. Have you ever used it? How was your experience like? It's always packed with people every day, all day long. I never imagined this. Kaneshie from above is so breathtaking. I guess you never imagined it either. Look how well demarcated this place looks. Damn, this place is so nice. Just take a moment and admire these breathtaking views. You like what you see? You like what you see? Finally, Accra Central's open market. Despite being the second largest open market in Ghana, it's always packed with people. Every street, every corner, every turn or junction has an activity going on, packed with people, both sellers and buyers. A chaotic yet colorful market where the energy is infectious. Lose yourself in the crowds and discover hidden treasures. Just take a moment and check out how crowded this place is. Every corner, every street, every junction is packed with people. Can you imagine yourself going into this place and coming back without touching anybody or running into anybody, running into something packed somewhere? It's literally impossible. Accra is just packed to capacity, and it's even safe to say Accra is overcrowded. Did I just rhyme over there? Yeah. And this is the Rollins Park, named after the former president of Ghana, J.J. Rollins. But how come this place was named after the former president, J.J. Rollins? Actually, this place was named Mokola No. 1 as part of the Makala market in Accra. But as part of the government initiative in 1979 to combat economic malpractices, J.J. Rollins actually demolished this part of the market and turned it into a lorry station, and it was informally named after him. That's how come this place is named Rollins Park till today, and it's still a lorry station till today. I hope you enjoyed this ride as much as I did. Kindly hit the like button. Let someone else see this too by sharing this video to them. Subscribe to my channel Explore with Gabby so you don't miss my next video. See you in the next one, but before then, stay curious.